Don't get a lot of these in 1966 Chevrolet Belair 4-door wagon. If you watch the classic car market over the past years, you know these wagons have become popular. And this is a nice one, very original to the way it would have came from Chevrolet back in 66. This particular color is a DD code, so that would have been mist blue from top to bottom. So one solid color car when this would have left General Motors, and mist blue, so still sitting and looking very similar to the way it would have been. Back in 66, interior is an 833 paint code according to the data tag, which would be blue interior. Interior appears that it has been redone, but it is still in the original color. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, the engine bay, the interior, check out what I'm talking about kind of through this video, you can look at the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us to 507-386-1726. Let you take a look at the front grille, bumper, bright work. Just looks very original. This whole car, when you look around, it just looks very similar to the way it would have came when it was new and rolled off the showroom floor. Take a look up and down the side of this car. You know, if you get a bunch of poor body work, a lot of filler, you're going to start to get waves. The car's not going to look even up and down the side of it. Let's take a look at this car up and down the side. The bright work trim piece that goes down the belt line presents very well. Of course, 2 bench seats, and this one did not have the 3rd seat, and it did not come that way originally. And look at that, still very stock and original looking on the interior. Of course, the wheels were spruced up a little bit. We got the turbo thrust style American racing wheels riding on BF Goodrich radials. Underneath the hood of this car, 283 with a power glide, automatic transmission. Now, as you can see here, we have the power rear window option. That was a factory option on this car. When you check out the still pictures, you're going to see I have the second row seat folded down. I have the window up in the pictures, tailgate down. So you'll be able to check it out all different ways in the still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Did notice rear bumper shows its age a little bit. Little bit of a dinger right there. And it does have a little bit of hazing to it. Again, appears original. Still pictures, so you can check all those out. Take your time, look through them. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. Remember, we have an open door policy to third-party inspectors. If you'd like somebody to come take a look at this car, a technician that inspected this car, took it out and drove it, went through our checklist. 2 of them actually said this car drives out, goes down the road very, very nice. And again, you can see how straight it is up and down this driver's side. Not full of nicks or dings or scratches, really. Haven't even seen a lot of little touch-up specs or anything on this one. Check this out. Remember when rear windows rolled all the way down? So vinyl interior. And again, appears that it has been redone. Nice shape. Door panels match the seats. Front and back, not full of rips or tears, holes, anything like that. Do have a couple little floor mats down in the front and the back, and I have pictures of those out so you can see the carpeting underneath those. All right, let's fire this up. It is a little bit cold-blooded. It's another thing the tech that told me that looked at it. So we're going to start it up, let it run here a little bit. Very healthy and good sounding 283. It's got a nice deep note to it. Little rumble coming out of it. There's the gas gauge works. I also noticed that the wipers did work. Radio appears to be the original all transistor radio. I have not had that working. The fan on the blower, that worked. As you can see, dash in nice shape. When I get out, I'll show you the headliner. That is also in good shape. Get this warmed up a little bit. She'll idle better for be pictures of the data tag, VIN plate, everything on this car. Sorry about the glare from the dome light, but as you can see, headliner also in nice shape. Slip around to the vet, says the side dump coming out behind the rear wheels. Around straight behind this. Like I said, great sounding 283. That is paired up with an automatic transmission. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front. Want to pop this hood. Let's check out the engine bay. You know that's going to look as stock and as original as the rest of this car. So let's check it out.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we go, engine popped. Nicely painted. 283. See the heater hoses still hooked up. There's a battery cutoff switch here, FYI. Look and listen to how smooth that runs. Wow. Nice looking engine bay. Good sounding engine. Nice wagon. And very original to the way that it would have came. 1966 Chevrolet Belair 4-door wagon. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.